Apple has created a very good history in terms of designing, and we cannot deny that fact at any point of time. I mean, just look at the journey of this company. In about 42 years, they have gone for some great ideas with excellent finish. But this time, it looks like iPhones are gonna mark an exception in this list. OnLeaks, a very reputable leaker, shared this first look of iPhone 11 with a very ugly implementation at the back. The device actually looks like a copy of Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and for 2019, we indeed have a stupid idea. I thought that the Google Pixel 3 XL cannot get a true rival, but thanks to Apple, they have proved that they are better than Android in every single aspect. Well, after that, we shouldn't take this design for serious, as it's still an early look based on some leaked info. Also, Apple will not put such a camera bump. Instead, they will follow the same design with a smaller identity. Otherwise, the whole package will stand on that single camera portion. The company is concerned about those elements and will surely try to make it more compact and beautiful. Additionally, if you're expecting some type of major change for the iPhone 11 like an all-screen design or a whole in-display tag, just forget about it, as according to Ice Universe, Apple will introduce iPhone 11 with a smaller notch, either by making some compromises or by shifting the earpiece at the topmost portion of this device. For 2020, it will be the whole in-display tag. But to spread some good hopes, I have a very exciting report. Austria Apple supplier AMS has developed a new RGB light and IR proximity sensor that can be placed behind a regular OLED display. This would help Apple to get rid of a notch or any black spot. In simple words, the company doesn't have to wait for a transparent display technology. Instead, it can be done with an OLED panel at much cheaper cost. This new technology is called Behind OLED that surely needs to be improved to a great extent. At the same time, there's currently no way to get an all-screen device with some logical ideas. The iPhone's notch accommodate a camera lens, earpiece, and a couple of sensors that actually needs to be placed. However, this technology can be used for some sensors, so we cannot get rid of that particular area at the top of the display, but it can be used to achieve a higher screen-to-body ratio. It depends upon Apple if they want it or not. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.